Let's begin by opening up our strings examples step file. But this time, instead of opening it up in our text editor, let's go ahead and open it up in a different type of program called an IDE. So I'm going to jump to my examples folder, and I'm going to open up test.php in a program called Komodo. Komodo is one example of an application called an IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It gives you some tools to be able to work with code that aren't present in most text editors. There are several good IDEs out there for working with PHP, one of which is Komodo. There's a free version of Komodo called Komodo Edit. There's also a free program called NetBeans, which is great. It's cross-platform, it's free, and it contains some of the more advanced tools that you normally have to pay for. A lot of people really like an IDE called Aptana Studio as well. So you see immediately that there's some coloring on some of these different items, making them easy to spot. Also, if you make a mistake in code, you see this red squiggly line, which automatically checks our syntax to make sure that our code is correct. It won't catch all the errors, but it will catch most of the common ones that you'll run into. I'm going to go ahead and undo this change here. Now, when I say syntax, I simply mean the order of the parts that we put together in order to create our code. PHP expects things to come in a particular order. For example, it expects to see this opening PHP tag and an ending PHP tag. And at the end of every statement, it expects to see the semicolon. If it doesn't see the proper syntax, then it will get confused and it will throw an error.